If the vibration while your phone is ringing on Viber bothers you, in this tutorial, I will show you how to easily turn it off. Whether you want silence or simply prefer that your phone just rings, this option can significantly improve your user experience. Stay until the end of this video and follow my steps to learn how to turn off vibration during ringing. So let's get started. First, open your Viber app. Once you're in Viber, at the bottom of the screen in the right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap them, and this will open a menu with options. In the menu, find the Settings option and tap it. When you're in the settings, you'll see various options to customize your Viber. Find the Notifications option and tap it to open it. Once you open the Notification settings page, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen, you will see an option called Vibrate when ringing. Tap it to turn it off. Once you turn it off, vibration during incoming calls on Viber will be disabled. This means your phone will not vibrate when someone calls, and you'll only hear the ringtone. And that's all for this short video. If the video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.